Hey there! Ever feel like your purchasing costs are like a never-ending puzzle? Well, you're not alone, and today we're going to break down that puzzle and show you how to put it together in the most cost-effective way possible. Now, let's talk about the key pieces you need to keep an eye on. Base purchasing costs. First up, base purchasing costs. These are the price tags attached to the goods or services from your suppliers. Lowering these costs? It's all about scaling and negotiating during the contract management stage. Daily purchasing costs. Next, there are your daily purchasing costs. This isn't just about what you're buying, but also the labor involved in procurement, like data entry and coordinating with other departments. Want to trim down these costs? The right procurement software can be a game changer, taking over those mundane tasks and freeing up your team's time. Transportation costs. Then we have transportation costs. These sneak up in the process of acquiring goods. Taming these costs, it's all about managing and negotiating with logistics companies. Contract and negotiation costs. Don't forget about the contract and negotiation costs. These costs can stack up when you're negotiating with suppliers, sometimes even involving a legal team. Here, it's all about finding that sweet spot between cost and benefit. Taxes and customs costs. Lastly, taxes and customs costs. These are the fees you might face when sourcing supplies from abroad. Here, your negotiation skills are your best friend. The question is, can discounts on large orders outweigh these fees? Optimizing your purchasing costs. Now, the trick isn't just to minimize these costs individually. It's about taking a big-picture approach, making targeted improvements in your department, and finding ways to make the procurement process more efficient. Procurement software is the key. And guess what? That's where procurement software comes in. It's like your secret weapon. It not only helps streamline your operations, but also gives you that competitive edge by aligning procurement with your finance and accounting teams. Gain strategic value. The strategic value you gain will more than cover the cost of the software itself. Your team gets to focus on what they do best, while the software takes care of the rest. So, ready to master your purchasing costs? Let's do this. Stay optimistic, stay efficient, and remember, you've got this.